In this video, we listed the 5 best TIG welding machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX TIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX TIG Welding Machine HF Cold TIG MMA ARC Stick Welder, model HBT 2000P, is a versatile and powerful welding solution designed for both professional and hobbyist welders. With a maximum output of 200 A, it utilizes advanced IGBT inverter technology to deliver precise and efficient welding performance across a range of materials. The machine supports various welding modes, including TIG, MMA, and ARC, making it suitable for a wide array of applications. Featuring adjustable pulse settings from 1 to 900 milliseconds, it allows for fine-tuning of the weld, enhancing control and reducing heat input. The HBT 2000P is equipped with 2T and 4T functionalities, catering to the user's preference for continuous or momentary operation. Its compact design and user-friendly interface further contribute to its appeal, making it a reliable choice for those seeking quality welding results. Number 2. AIXZ 5-in-1 HF Welding Machine. The AIXZ 5-in-1 HF TIG AC DC aluminum welding machine is a versatile and efficient welding tool designed for precision and adaptability in metalworking projects. With its MMA ARC and argon capabilities, this machine caters to a variety of welding needs, making it suitable for both professional and amateur welders. Equipped with a digital pulse feature and options for 2T, 4T control, it offers enhanced control and stability during the welding process. The machine utilizes stainless IGBT inverter technology, ensuring reliable performance and energy efficiency. Sold by AIXZ, it boasts a strong reputation with a high rating of 4.8 based on over 1,000 sales, reflecting customer satisfaction and trust in its quality. Although a limited number of reviews are available, the product's popularity indicates a solid market presence. Number 3. ARCCAPTAIN TIG Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN AC DC TIG welding machine is a powerful and versatile tool designed for various welding applications, offering a range of features for both beginners and experienced welders. With a capability of up to 200 amps and multiple welding methods, TIG AC square, TIG AC triangular, TIG AC pulse, TIG DC, and stick MMA, this machine is ideal for working with aluminum alloys, magnesium, stainless steel, and more. Its patented -ARC technology enhances arc striking speed and efficiency, while the digital control system allows for precise adjustment of welding parameters, including pre-flow, peak current, and pulse frequency. The welder is equipped with a user-friendly LED display, ensuring easy operation and monitoring. Weighing only 12 kilograms, 26.5 pounds, it is portable and perfect for various projects, from automotive repairs to artistic metalwork. Additionally, the product comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a year warranty, making it a reliable choice for any welding enthusiast. Number 4. HITBOX TIG Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBT 2000P Pro is a versatile welding machine designed for various welding applications, including TIG cold welding, arc MMA welding, and TIG pulse welding. Originating from mainland China, this CE-certified device operates on a 220V input voltage and features advanced IGBT inverter technology, providing efficient performance with an 80% efficiency rate and a 90% duty cycle. Key features include an output quick plug to prevent overheating, a pulse function for welding ultra-thin materials, 0.5 mm, without deformation, and multiple arc welding capabilities with adjustable settings for spot welding and arc ignition. The machine also offers a cold TIG function, automatic standby mode after 3 minutes of no load, and a wide range of welding parameters, including an arc force current range of 10-200 A. The package includes essential accessories such as a digital TIG torch, earth clamp, electrode holder, gas tube, an optional HV009 helmet, making it a comprehensive solution for both professional and hobbyist welders. Number 5. AIXZ AIT200P Welding Machine. The HITBOX AIT200P AC/DC is a versatile TIG AC/DC welding machine designed for a variety of welding applications, including TIG pulse welding and ARCCAPTAIN stick welding. Manufactured in mainland China, it operates on a rated input voltage of AC 220V with a power capacity of 5.8 kVA and an input current of 26.3 A. This machine offers a wide range of output currents, with TIG output adjustable from 10 to 200 A and MMA, ARC output from 20 to 120 A, ensuring flexibility for different materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, and low-alloy steel. Featuring advanced inverter technology, the AIT200P provides a stable and concentrated arc, quick response during short circuits, and customizable welding parameters, including arc initiation and stop currents, which enhance the welding quality. With a rated duty cycle of 60% and an efficiency of 85%, this machine is built for durability and performance, encapsulated in a compact design measuring 480mm x 270mm x 365mm, and classified under Protection Class IP21S.